Hello, everybody. Good morning and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today is 29th of January and we are just one day ahead of the major announcement of the budget. Today, we are going to face the major event of economic survey, which is going to get tabled at 12 in the noon. So that will keep the market volatile. At the same time, after opening higher around 150 points as Singapore Nifty is indicating, we may see some profit taking on long positions or reduction in the weak positions, and that will keep the market range bound. So 13,950, 14,000 should be the level where we should look for taking profit on long position if there are any, or we should be buyer only if there is any decline during the day. 13,700 acted as magic support for the market. 50-day simple moving average offered significant support to the market when the market was down, and it recovered back from the lower levels. It closed above the mark of 13,800 on Thursday. Bank Nifty also closed on the higher side. So based on that, we may see some activity in the near term, but in case if we see the market is closing above the mark of 13,850, then we can expect furthermore upside on the day of budget. So what is important is that whether we are closing above the mark of 13,850 or not. So that is crucial. If we see the market is closing above the mark of 13,950, then it would be a big positive for the market. On the downside, 13,700 acted as support, but if we see the market is closing below the mark of 13,650, then we can expect furthermore bearishness in the market. So important levels are 13,950 and 13,650 on the downside. So based on that, we can strategize our overall position. Since last 5 days, we have seen vertical sell-off in the market, and because of that, the markets are deeply oversold in the short term. We cannot forget that the basic trend on weekly, monthly basis is still positive, and if we are very close to the important support areas, then we can expect a rebound in the market. So that would result in some relief rally, and on the higher side maximum we can expect 14,300, 14,400, which is the retracement level as well as the level of 20 days simple moving average. So broadly, we are of the view that market is going to be volatile, and based on the levels we can decide our overall trading strategy. We are expecting relief rally to come on the upside, and that will be on that basis for the day. Specifically, we should look for adding some long position on dips or at major support areas. Bank Nifty also rejected to fall below the mark of 29,600. It recovered back, and later on we saw activity up to 30,300, 400 levels, so which is positive for the Bank Nifty, and furthermore upside is not ruled out. Most of the time we see activity in IT, financials as well as in commodities ahead of the budget. So this time also we are expecting activity in IT as well as in commodities and financials. Specifically, we are going to focus on top companies from the each segment. We like Infosys from the IT segment. We like ICICI Bank as well as HDFC Bank from the basket of financials. For commodities, we like Ultratech as well as Ambuja Cement. So these are the stocks which should be on our radar. For electrical vehicle segment and for the auto segment, we need to focus on Tata Motors. Currently it is in between, but in case if it falls to 250, then certainly it's a buy. That's all from my side and from our side for the day. With this, I'm ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in. Have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.